Here's how to write a simple trance melody in 3 very, very easy steps. Start with a bass line, such as this one. Copy it. Shift its position. Say back a pace. Jump it up 1 octave. And you have a sort of rolling bass line. Then add the melody. And the melody goes in the gaps left between the bass notes. So you got boom, boom, and then you got boom, 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 gap, bass, bass, gap, bass, gap, bass, bass. You get the idea. And you get this. And that's all there is to it. 3 simple steps. You can move them around, you can play with the harmony, you can put the bass notes in different positions, you can do whatever you want with it. You can move the bass notes independently of each other, like I've got here. It's all good. Add a bit of tension. So yeah, play around with it, have fun, and happy producing.